Hello, this is Andre Duval, and this is my project for the CSE internship. As you can see, this is a robot car, and mounted on the car is a robotic arm. The robot car is controlled. It drives using the ultrasonic sensors in the front to identify the distances of objects in front of it. It's run on Arduino. We have the Arduino Uno right here hooked up to the parallax control board. Right now, the robot arm is not functional. I can control the arm via the computer, but I have not been able to hook it up to Arduino yet, so that is going to be one of the final things I do. The goal of this car is to drive around and pick up an object, basically, and bring it back to a specified location or something like that. Right now, I don't have it glued together because I'm still putting it together, pulling it apart, putting it together, still kind of prototyping it a little bit. So I have it taped together just to hold it in place so I don't have to glue everything and pick apart the glue. So how I built it, I used the servos from our robots that we practice with for the parallax robots. So I have the servos hooked up to the wheels right here. We have this the base right here that we used in class. And we have, of course, the back wheel. I also added another wheel in the front because I need a lot more stability. And to carry a lot more weight. And then to build this part of the base that holds up this other part, I used another robot kit I found at Michael's craft store. It's called Vex Robotics. And I just used this because I saw that the pieces were like Legos, you know, easily constructible, and they looked sturdy. So I used that. This was actually pretty hard to do to get it a good idea of how to build this. I also used styrofoam and cut it using a styrofoam cutter. Cut a hole here for my wiring and put it into this board right here. I cut out a little piece here so I could have even more stability because this arm is pretty darn heavy. So it doesn't tip this car over. All right. And like I said, yeah, the code used is through Arduino. And I just want to demonstrate a little test drive. So I'm going to set this down for a moment. So we have the car here, and it will move on its own. So let's give it a shot. Turn it on. Just trying to find a good path to go, but as it runs into objects in its way, it will back up. Yep, and that's how it navigates for right now. I'm gonna turn this off. There are still a couple things I need to finish. Quite a few things, actually. I need to build some type of shelf. I like how this is right here. I will probably glue this on. There's a sticky thing on this breadboard right here, actually. But I want a shelf where I can probably have it like this controller to make space for another part. So we'll have probably this mounted here, create some type of shelf. And then I also have this controller. This is their ARM, the ARM's computer. I still need to hook this up to Arduino. So I'll have to figure that out, and this will be mounted somewhere as well. All right, so that is my project, and those are what I intend to finish for the rest of it. Thank you.